Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact FedEx customer service, direct link step by step clearly. To contact FedEx customer service, visit their official website. Navigate to the Contact Us section. Look for the customer service phone number. If you prefer online assistance, select the chat option. For tracking issues, click on the Tracking tab. Enter your tracking number for specific inquiries. If you need help with shipping services, go to the Shipping tab. Select the type of service you require. For frequently asked questions, check the Help Center. You can also find answers to common issues there. If you wish to send an email, look for the email support link. Fill out the required information in the contact form. Make sure to provide accurate details regarding your concern. If you're a business customer, visit the dedicated business support section. For international inquiries, ensure you check the global contact options. Keep your shipment details handy for a smoother experience. Once you've submitted your query, monitor your email for responses. For immediate assistance, calling customer service is often the fastest method. Follow the prompts to reach the appropriate department. Be prepared to provide your account number if applicable. With these steps, you can effectively reach FedEx customer service for any concerns or inquiries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.